Hello everyone, this is Ramna. You are watching me on Tech My Hat channel. Before starting this video, I want to share one thing that if the candidates are interested to share their experience of interview or internship or training or job, so anything of experience, if you want to share through our YouTube channel, you can share with us. So if you are interested, you can ping us on Tech My Hat Instagram page, or you can also mail us. So the mail ID is provided in the description link. And the candidates who are not subscribed yet, please subscribe to our channel, and you will get the videos about the placement assistance and interview experience and a lot more from our YouTube channel. The job update for this video is software engineering training at Mount Blue. So the location will be Bangalore and the salary will be 4 LPA. So coming to the overview, Mount Blue is a premium service provider and is looking for smart and motivated programmers to join their team. So the candidate must have programming experience in at least one of the following languages. So the programming language will be like JavaScript, Java, Python, PHP, Ruby, C or C++. So selected candidates will go through extensive 12 to 13 weeks training program. So after the coding test and the technical interview and HR, so the candidates who got selected, they will go under training period of 12 to 13 weeks, and successful completing requirements of the program will be offered the role of software development engineer. So after completing successfully training period, so the candidate will get full-time employment of as a role of software development engineer. So coming to responsibilities, so the candidate has to work in a team to develop, compile, and test and debug, deploy a software. So the candidates have to develop web and mobile applications. So it will be like web applications and coming mobile application using JavaScript, Python, Java, and HTML and CSS. So, and Canada have to write documentation for software and APIs, support software during production and providing hot fixes. Coming to the qualifications, so the candidate have to be familiar with at least one programming language, example JavaScript, Java, Python, or PHP. So he has to have a good analytical and programming solving skills, self-motivated with ability to work in fast-paced environment, excellent verbal and written communication skills. So that has to be mandatory where you work with different candidates across the country, and eagerness to learn new technologies. So these are about the requirements and qualification they have mentioned. And if you want to register, then you have to click with apply with Google. So it will redirect to page. You have to sign in with Google your Gmail account. Then it will ask full name and mobile number. So after register, you will get a mail. Let me show that mail that we got. So immediately after when you register, immediately you will get this mail from Mount Blue Technologies, software engineering training application. So, like dear candidate, thank you for applying the software engineer trainee position at Mount Blue. So the selection process involves two levels. The first level will have a coding test. It has to be taken remotely, so you can take test at anywhere. And typically, they will conduct the test once every month. The date is not pre-decided, so so before test, you will get test link from this Mount Blue solution. So they will not mention the date previously. You will receive a mail invitation with the test link a couple of days before the test date, and then if you clear the test, then you will have a coding interview. So it will be like they need more information about your skills, so they will ask you to appear for a live interview. It will be again remotely, so you will get a link for interview and you have to take an attendance remotely. So after clearing tier round or something interview round, then you will have a HR. So HR round after level 1, so level 2 will be HR. So after clearing these two, they will have a training period. So as they mentioned, so if you want to prepare for Mount Blue before taking the test, if you want to prepare for Mount Blue, they are giving a training for the preparation. So you have to sign up at preparation.mountblue.io, and you can also join this discussion. So they will, I mean, at Mount Blue Preparation, they will provide step-by-step programming exercises, guidance from experienced software engineers and mentors. So all these things you get preparation from them. So they have provide some frequently asked questions about Mount Blue. So let me show that what they mentioned here. So like what is Mount Blue? They have mentioned about themselves, and what is the main objective of Mount Blue? Like to help launch great software engineering careers. So the main thing is there is no degree or batch requirement. Like you can be from any degree, or you can from any branch. They will not mention any criteria for that. So there is no degree or no branch requirement, and they also are not mentioned to upload resume. So resume is not mandatory for them. So they said that. And so based on the skills and talent that you have, without any proper, I mean, without any degree or branch, still you have eligible for to take the test. So what happens at Mount Blue? Like Mount Blue job offers is an 16-month contract. So training period will be 3 months as they mentioned, and deployment period. So after successfully completing the training, you will be sent to one of our clients. I mean, their clients to work the engineering team. So they will send their projects, like they will give the client projects, and they will deploy in there. So the duration for that projects will be around 12 to 13 months. So what happens, like after deployment period, what will happen, like generally in 95% of the cases, the client company makes you compiling the job offer to join them directly. So uh, so coming to the offer at Mount Blue. So Mount Blue currently, as per April 2021, offers stipend of 10,000 rupees at the training period, and offers a salary of 4 lakhs 4 LPA in the deployment period. So this is all about the Mount Blue solutions. So they will not, they are not mentioned any batch like 2020, 2021, 2022, like that. So anyone better to apply for this job. So as the clearly mentioned, like no degree or no branch. So what I'm thinking, like they may expecting only the talented and skills, the candidate who have skills to work on, and without any degree or branch. So they are not focusing on these eligibility criteria. They only focus on the talent and skills that candidate have. So if they are good enough to work for themselves, then I think it is a good opportunity for them. So thanks for watching this video. So please subscribe to our channel now, and we will post about job updates frequently, of any branch, of any degree, of any pass out. So please stay tuned to our YouTube channel. Thank you.